I don't know. It was saying the microphone wasn't working. Welcome back, chemistry fans. You'll let me know if it's not working. All right, we're going to do our homework. Let's see if we can jump into this. The naming, we're going to start figuring out why we name things the way we do. So here is the start of this. How many valence electrons are in aluminum? Well, we need a periodic table to solve this one. So let me find my periodic table. It's got some writing on it, so let me erase all of that. Aluminum is element number 13 over here on the right side in green. So if the question is asking us how many protons, is that what it's asking? Energy levels, sorry, and valence energy levels. So it is on the third energy level that is evidenced over here by its period number. It is in the 13th group. It has 3 valence electrons. Okay, so 3 and 3 is what we have there. So 3 valence electrons, 3 energy levels. What is the charge of sulfur if it has 16 protons, which are positive, and my electrons is covered up by my big bulbous head there? So 18 minus 18 electrons, because electrons have a negative charge. So it would have a charge of -2. All right, let's fill in the rest of this. So lithium is symboled Li. It has a mass number of 7. That's given by this value right here. It would have a +1 in the right-hand corner. You can't see that right there. And then its atomic number would be 3. Number of protons, 3. Number of electrons. It would normally have 3, except that it has a +1. That means it has lost 1 electron. Its atomic mass off the periodic table is 6.941. Its mass number is given to us as 7. That is evidenced right there as well as right there. Its atomic number is also 3. What are positive ions called? Positive ions are called cations, not cations. Sketch a Bohr model for nitrogen. So nitrogen has 1, 2 rings. It has 7 total. It has 2 on the first. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the second. If you wanted to, these could be grouped as the S's, and those would be the P's. If we were to draw these with orbital diagrams, just make sure that you know that the nitrogen would have 1 in each one of the boxes of the P sublevel according to Hund's rule. Balance the following and give it a name. All right, so we have to then go back to our periodic table and figure out what the charges are. Now, I have given you a periodic table, and I asked you to write on here what my charges were for some of these elements. Aluminum was +3, oxygen is -2. And so once you have that, you can utilize that to then do a crisscross applesauce. 3 over here, 2 over here. What's its name? Aluminum oxide. All right, write the formula for magnesium arsenide. Well, arsenic is a -3. All right, how do I know this stuff? Because again, I have looked on my periodic table where I asked you to write this information down. Arsenic is right here. And so it would have the charge of -3. Magnesium has a charge of +2. I take those 2, I crisscross down, and I end up with Mg3As2. I'm sorry, you put your hands in the air like you just don't care, you crisscross them down, you throw them to the ground, and that's what our formula is. Okay, shouldn't have taken you that long. Hopefully you understand the content, practice it up. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.